This is a 9159 storeroom mortise lock set. It features a cylinder, lever or knob trim. It has a latch bolt and an auxiliary latch, or what we call an anti-pick latch. Storeroom function is unique because the outside lever is always rigid. In fact, often there's not even an outside lever. There's actually nothing sometimes, but there's always a cylinder. So the cylinder will retract the latch bolt, and the inside lever is always free egress. So outside always rigid, inside always free. The anti-pick latch prevents the latch bolt from being credit carded, and the only way to gain entry is by key. So this is a 9159 storeroom function mortise lock set.